Welcome to Roblox Studio classes, whether it be the first time or coming back again. So, you want to create your own Roblox games. Well, you've come to the right place. This video is the beginning of a series to teach you how to create your very own Roblox games using Roblox Studio. Right now, Roblox Studio is only available for PC and Mac computers. It's not available for Linux. And you can't use it on your phone or on tablets. The first thing you're going to need is a Roblox account. You need a Roblox account to not only play Roblox, but also to log into Roblox Studio. If you already have a Roblox account, then you're ahead of the game. If you don't have an account, then let's go create one. Open up a web address and go to www.roblox.com. In the middle of the screen, fill out your new account information. Give your birthday, pick a username, pick a password, choose if you want to be male or female, and click the sign up button. You may get a verification window for Roblox to make sure that you're a real person. In this one, I have to pick pictures that have bread in them. Unfortunately, the username I chose is already in use. You can tell because there's a red outline around the box. So I'll pick a new username. If you come across the same thing, just keep picking new usernames until you find one that hasn't been taken. Finally, click sign up again. Be sure to write down your username and password so you don't forget it. You should now be logged in to the home page of your new Roblox account. I recommend you take the time to associate an email address with your new account in case you ever forget your password. Go up here to the gear icon, click Settings, and in this area, go down to the email address area and click on Add Email. Here you can enter your email account. This way, if you ever lose your password, Roblox can email it to you. With that done, let's proceed to download and install Roblox Studio. At the top of the screen, click on Create. On the next page, in the middle, click the Start Creating button. This starts the Roblox Studio download. You may get some verification windows that pop up. Click this button here to actually download Roblox Studio. Here's another pop-up. Just click Open. In Microsoft Edge, this is the download box that shows the download progress. Open the file. When you see the screen asking you if you want to run the program, just click Run. When it's complete, Roblox Studio may just launch on its own. If Roblox Studio installed but didn't launch for some reason, just look for the Roblox Studio icon on your desktop, double-click it, and it'll launch you into the login screen. Here, type in your username and password, then click Login. You may have to go through a verification screen one more time, and then success! You're logged into Roblox Studio. You are ready to start creating your very first game. In the next video of this series, we'll look at how to create a game, how to save a game, and how to load a game. I'll see you in the next video.